Hello again, grade 9 learners. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pinwheel sandwiches. But before we start, I am reminding you to wear your PPE like apron and hairnet in doing your performance task.
In this time of pandemic, I am reminding you again that in handling food, washing your hands is very essential. Here are the ingredients in preparing ham and cheese pinwheel sandwiches. First, bread. We have also mayonnaise, cheese, and ham. Using the bread knife, remove the brown edges of bread. Don't throw away the brown edges. You can use it to make breadcrumbs. Now, we need to flatten the bread by using rolling pin. Class, if you do not have a rolling pin at home, you can use tumbler, glass, or any bottle that can flatten the bread. Siguraduhin lamang na matibay ito at hindi basta-basta mababasag. Now, you can spread the mayonnaise. Put the sliced ham and the cheese. Roll up to create pinwheel. Insert toothpick to secure the rolls on its own. Then cut it into pieces. You can serve these ham and cheese pinwheel sandwiches as party appetizers. At this part, let me show you how to make a pinwheel sandwich with the fillings, peanut butter, and banana. Now, we're going to spread the peanut butter. Then, arrange the banana slices. Roll it up again, then put the toothpick and cut it. So here are the pinwheel sandwiches that you can choose from as your performance task.
Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.